The minhag is to blow shofar every morning after we daven during the month of Elul. Actually, there are two minhagim about Tkiyat Shofar, which have to do with Rosh Chodesh. We all know that Rosh Chodesh Elul is 2 days, always 2 days. The first day is the 30th day of Av, and the second day is the first day of Elul. So most congregations blow shofar on the first day of Elul and not on the 30th of Av, but there are different minhagim. Some blow shofar on both days, some only blow shofar on the 30th of Av, Leit Lamed, to start teaching themselves or reviewing Tkiyat Shofar, but in Shul, they only blow shofar on the first day of Elul. The source for this idea seems to be in a medrash in Pirkei de Rabbi Elazar, which is a late medrash, and based on the pasuk in Tehillim, Perek Mem Zayin, pasuk Vav. Ola Elokim Bitrua, Hashem B'Kol Shofar. That God goes up when there's a trua. And Eloki Hashem B'Kol Shofar, that Hashem goes up when there is a Kol Shofar. So the ideas that we've learned about Elul in general, Elul is a special time, it's a time of special connection, it's a time of special where you can look into what you've done and try to do it better and different. That very much accommodates the notion here in Tehillim that the shofar pushes that direction. When you blow the shofar, it's very hard not to think about serious matters. And those serious matters are the matters of the month of Elul. The Rosh at the end of Rosh Hashana may distinguish between the Tkiyah of Rosh Chodesh and the Tkiyah of the other days of the month. That the Tkiyah of Rosh Chodesh is obligatory, right? The Aleph Elul, and comes because Ola Elokim B'Trua. But on the other days of Elul, it may be only that to emphasize the fact that we should consider tshuva, repentance, slicha, forgiveness, etc. And this is also connected to a pasuk in Amos. The pasuk in Amos, in Perek Gimel, pasuk Vav, the pasuk says, Im yitka shofar ba'ir v'am lo yechiradu. Could it be that somebody would blow a shofar in the city and and the nation would not be filled with fear? And so that the shofar in our tradition, plays a role. It's not only the mitzvah of shofar. It's not only on Rosh Hashanah. It's not only the way we are able to apply ourselves to this special time, but the shofar works all the days of Elul. When you hear the shofar, it's very hard to ignore. So we have a minhag. We blow shofar every day. There may be a difference between the shofar we blow on the day of Rosh Chodesh and the shofar we blow on the other days. But sachakol, all in all, we're talking about a further attempt to put ourselves in the mood. In the mood, by that I mean in the mood that will enable us to consider ourselves more seriously, who we are, what we might expect of ourselves, how things might be changed, and in what way we could possibly be better.